The Dayak tribe, indigenous to the island of Kalimantan in Indonesia, is renowned for its exceptional supernatural abilities. Among their people, the Dayak tribe is held in high regard and foreigners are intrigued by their unique skills. The Dayak people of Borneo have been living in harmony with the rainforest for thousands of years. They have an intimate understanding of the plants and animals that inhabit their environment, and they have developed a deep respect for the natural world. For generations, Dayak healers have used the power of the rainforest to treat a wide range of ailments, from common colds to more serious diseases. Their methods may seem unconventional to outsiders, but the results speak for themselves. People who have been treated by Dayak healers have reported miraculous recoveries. One particularly notable member of this tribe is Ibu Ida Dayak, a traditional healer from East Kalimantan who specializes in straightening crooked bones. Her healing technique has gained her an enormous following, thanks to her Dayak dance, traditional clothing, and use of only red ointment as a medium to massage the affected area. She usually practices her healing techniques out in the open and in public, witnessed by huge crowds. What's even more fascinating to watch is the lack of pain that is visually expressed on the faces of her patients while she fixes the joints. Her incredible healing skills have not only been effective in correcting bone deformations but also in curing other ailments like speech and hearing impairment. Her notoriety has been given an enormous boost recently with an invitation by the former head of the Indonesian Bureau of Intelligence, General Hendra Priyono, who later gave a glowing public testimony of her healing prowess. Born in East Kalimantan 51 years ago, Ibu Ida Dayak learned the art of traditional healing in her youth. What's remarkable is that she does not charge any fee for her services, insisting that her mission is only to do good for others in need. Her selflessness and healing skills have piqued public interest, leading people to want to learn more about her. Due to high demand, Ibu Ida Dayak has a busy schedule and treats patients almost every day, causing many people to be unable to secure an appointment. Despite her sudden rise to popularity, she remains unfazed and attributes her talents and abilities to God Almighty.
Semuanya